Looking for a healthier way to cook your favourite meals? Steam cooking locks in nutrients and flavour without the need for oil. To use auto steam, fill the water tray and return to its original position. Press auto steam once. Use the arrows to choose an auto menu like number 29 for fresh vegetables. Press start to confirm. Use the arrows to select the food weight and press start. The microwave takes care of the rest, adjusting power and time for you. Steaming made smart with zero guesswork. Enjoy pure flavour using the steam function. Make sure your water tray is filled and then return to its original position. Press the steam button. There are 2 programs to choose from. Choose Steam 1 for maximum power or Steam 2 for a gentler steam. Use the arrows to set your cooking time. Press start to begin. Perfectly steamed food, steaming made simple.